All right, let's just jump right in. What if I told you that the one thing, the single biggest thing holding your channel back, isn't your camera, it's not your editing skills, it's your thumbnails? Yeah, seriously. So today, we're going to flip that script. We're going to turn that major bottleneck into your most powerful tool for growth. We are building a thumbnail factory. And just to see how big of a deal this is, look at these numbers. To make 100 thumbnails the old-fashioned, manual way, you're looking at 50 hours. That's more than a full-time work week, just on thumbnails. But with the factory system we're about to lay out, you can absolutely crush that same amount in one focused 8-hour day. This isn't just about saving a bit of time, you guys. It's about completely changing the game for how much content you can even dream of producing. So yeah, let's call it what it is. This is a thumbnail crisis. Seriously. The way you're probably doing it right now isn't just a tedious chore, it is an active bottleneck that is choking your channel's growth. Does this sound familiar? You know the drill, right? You open up your design software, you start hunting for the perfect image, you wrestle with the fonts, you try a million different colors, and bam. Before you know it, 30, maybe 45 minutes have just disappeared on one thumbnail. This is the reality for so many of us. And you're not just losing time, you're burning through creative energy on 100 tiny little decisions, constantly switching between different tools, and basically starting from scratch every single time. And if you're wondering where all that time goes, well, here it is. It's basically death by 1,000 cuts. It's not one big thing. It's evenly split. A chunk of time finding images, another chunk just setting up the design, then more time adding text, then tweaking the colors. Each step feels like it's just a few minutes, right? But you add them all up, and suddenly you're staring at this massive, incredibly inefficient black hole for your time. And look, the reality is, if this is you, you are absolutely not alone. Almost 80% of creators are stuck in this exact same trap. It's a huge problem, and it leads to two big issues. First, inconsistent quality, because you're always rushing. And second, you just can't create content fast enough to feed the beast, the algorithm. And that brings us right to the algorithm's demand. Because let's be real, the platform doesn't care how long it took you to pick a font. It only cares about results. And oh boy, does it have some very specific demands. Here's the simple, hard truth. The number one thing the algorithm rewards is consistency, above all else. See, when you post content all the time, you're not just dropping a video into the void. You are feeding the system data, piles of it. It learns who your audience is, what makes them click, and who else it should show your stuff to. So more content means more data, and more data means faster growth. It's literally that simple. And just look at the difference that makes in practice. We're not talking about a tiny little bump here. The data is clear. Creators who can post daily see recommendation rates that are 3 times higher than people posting just once a week. 3 times. Now, trying to post daily when your thumbnails take forever, that's almost impossible. But with a factory system, suddenly it's totally achievable. And here's the prize at the end of the rainbow. If you can pull off a consistent 30-day posting streak, which, again, the Thumbnail Factory makes possible, you can see a 40% boost in your impressions. The algorithm literally sees that you're serious and rewards you by showing your content to more people. That's the power of consistency. Okay, so we've laid out the crisis, we understand what the algorithm demands, so now what? Now we talk about the solution. It's called the factory system, and it's a simple 3-phase approach to put an end to this problem for good. So what is it really? Well, at its heart, the Thumbnail Factory is a system. It's not just a cool trick, it's a whole new workflow. We're going to combine the power of templates to keep things consistent, AI tools to get things done fast, and batch processing to be super efficient. And when you put it all together, you can do in a single day what used to take you an entire month. And we break it all down into 3 really simple, manageable phases, okay? First, you prepare. This is where you plan out your content and build a small library of go-to templates. Next, you create. This is the fun part, where you use AI to generate your text and images and then batch produce all the thumbnails at once. And finally, you optimize. You do a quick quality check and maybe set up some A/B tests so your next batch is even more effective. And you might be thinking, this sounds complicated, but the toolkit you need is actually super simple and accessible. We're really just talking about 3 main things. Canva Pro, which is amazing for templates and batch creating. Then you've got ChatGPT Plus for spitting out tons of text variations in seconds. And an AI image generator like Midjourney for creating awesome, unique backgrounds whenever you need them.
So what's the actual impact of all this? What does it look like in the real world? Well, let's just compare the journeys of two different creators. We'll call one the manual creator and the other the batch creator. Their growth trajectories are, well, you'll see.
Okay, this right here is the slide that says it all. The difference is just staggering. Look at posting frequency. The manual creator is maybe getting out 8 to 12 videos a month. The batch creator, they're easily hitting 30 or more. Because of that, their subscriber growth is 4, even 5 times faster. And the income, I mean, it's not even in the same ballpark. The batch creator is playing a completely different game. And it's all because they fixed that one thumbnail bottleneck.
And really, what this all boils down to is the speed of your success. When you get rid of this one major piece of friction in your workflow, you become 2.5 times more likely to hit that huge 10,000 subscriber milestone within your first 6 months. That is a massive, massive advantage.
All right, I know this all sounds really powerful, maybe even a little intimidating. But here's the best part. You can actually start this, like, right now. Let's break down how you can create your very first batch of thumbnails this weekend.
So here is your action plan. Super simple. Don't try to boil the ocean here. Step 1, plan. Just open a spreadsheet and brainstorm 100 video titles. Don't overthink it, just get them down. Step 2, templatize. Hop into Canva and create just 5 solid templates that fit your style. That's it, just 5. And finally, step 3, batch. And listen, don't try to make 100 on your first try. Just aim for 30. That's a whole month of daily content done in one single session. You can do that.
So I'm just going to leave you with this one question. This factory system, once you get it running, it gives you back about 40 hours every single month. So the real question isn't just about the thumbnails you're going to make. It's, what are you going to build with all that extra time? Will you write better scripts, do deeper research, maybe launch that second series you've been dreaming about? The potential is all yours.